Welcome to Mishna study Masechet Eruvin Perek Het Mishnah Vav. Over here in this Mishnah, I'm going to discuss a cistern between two courtyards. Right, so you have this water pit between two courtyards, and both of them want to use it on Shabbat. Right, so if you see this picture over here, right, two corners on both sides, you have this water cistern in the middle. Now, how are both courtyards allowed to draw from this cistern, where it's recognized that they're drawing from their side? Right, they're drawing from their water, and they're not taking from the other courtyard's water, right? Because you're not allowed to, if they're making eruv, right? They can't share with one another. So that's going to be the discussion of our Mishnah. So if you have bor sheben shtei hatzerot, you have a water cistern between two courtyards, en memalein mimenu b'Shabbat. You're not allowed to draw water from it on Shabbat, ela im ken, unless asu lo mechitza givua 10 tefachim, right? Unless you made a mechitza 10 tefachim high, ben milematan, ben mitoch ogno. Right? Whether it's underneath or within the rim. Now, how does Rambam explain this? Underneath, where is underneath or within the rim? So underneath, right? Rambam says it's at the karka'ita bor, right? The bottom of the cistern itself, right? All the way at the bottom of that water cistern. And mitoch ogno, right? Or within the rim is at the top part of that water cistern, right? That's the way Rambam explains it. Interestingly enough, it's different than Rashi, right? Rashi has a different perush. Bartinura brings it down over here, where according to Rashi, it's milemalan is higher up. Milematan is within the airspace of the pit, and mitoch ogno is a little higher up. So that's that's the way Bartinura Rashi explained that. Rambam is different, as we explained. Amar Rabban Shimon ben Gamliel, Bet Shammai omrim milematan, uBet Hillel omrim milemalan. Right, but there comes Rabban Shimon ben Gamliel and says, no, there's different machloket between Bet Shammai and Bet Hillel. That's this is what it is. Bet Shammai says it needs to be above the water, and Bet Hillel says it needs to be Bet Shammai says it needs to be underneath the water, and Bet Hillel says it needs to be above the water. Now, Amar Rabbi Yehuda, lo temechitza gevua min hakotel shebenehem. Right, so we'll explain in a second. Bet Shammai and Bet Hillel. So Bet Shammai says that it needs to be milematan, right, underneath. Right, what's underneath? If you look at the picture on the right, you see that the mechitza is underneath, and it needs to stick up above the water at tefach. Bet Hillel says above the water. Right, it's enough to have it above the water. Again, as long as it's dipping within the water at tefach. Right, that's what Rambam explains in Mishnah over here, based off the Pirush of the Gemara. And right, halacha is like, it's actually posek like Bet Hillel according to Rabban Shimon ben Gamliel. What does Rabbi Yehuda say? Halacha is not like Rabbi Yehuda. What does Rabbi Yehuda say? Rabbi Yehuda says, look, you don't even need any of this. As long as you have that wall that's running above the cistern, like you see in this picture over here, even if it's not touching the water, even if it's not going within the rim of the cistern itself, that's enough of a mechitza. That's enough of a mechitza to say that the people on the right are drawing from the water on the right, the people on the left are drawing from the water on the left, and so be it. That's enough. Right? Halacha is not like Rabbi Yehuda, rather like we said, according to Bet Hillel.